Okay, welcome to Smart Web YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create collections on Redbubble. Remember, we are still on print on demand series. So I'll show you how to upload on Redbubble. I'll show you how to design with your AI. You don't need to have AI knowledge. If you have not watched the video, try to watch the video. And I've also shown you how to do a lot of things on Redbubble and all that. So only thing you can help us do is try to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up and all that. Now what I want to show you now is how you can promote, how you can create collections and also promote your work using Pinterest. So it's very easy to do. So what I'll be showing you is how you can do all this. Is please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you love this video, give us a thumbs up and share to your friends. Only thing you can do for us, on the way you can always support us, is to just to subscribe. And that's the only way you can support us. Please help us by subscribing. So I will be showing you how to create collections, and also I'll be showing you how to promote your Pinterest, your what's it called, your print on demand designs on Pinterest. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to log into your Redbubble if you already have an account. Now if you already have an account, just log into your Redbubble. Now the next thing you have to do is click on your account. You will see manage portfolio. Click on manage portfolio. When you click on manage portfolio, if I click on collections, you see I've created many collections here, but not everything here that is that's not every design here are inside the collections. And you see that I have created already. Let me click on this collections. I've created Christian life and identity as collections, Stoics wisdom collection, and animal collections. So today, I'll be using some of the design that I used to teach you in the other videos to create collections. Now I have this here, I have this here, I have this here, and these are talking about girls. So I will just call it girls collection, something like that. I don't know, for the sake of this video, I'll click on here, click on this, and click on this. I'll click on these collections. When I click on these collections, I'll click on inside this box that's written new collections. I will write the name girls girls collections, girls, right? Is this not correct? Is the spelling not correct? Girls collections, collections, girls collections. Now you see this plus button here, you click on it. When you click on it, you see it has added, you can see girls collections here, right? Now what do we do now? When we go to this collections, when we click on these collections, it's not there, right? So let's go back here. Is this inside collections? No. So let's go to this place. Do we see it? No. Yes, so this the collections here, but it seems that there is nothing in the collection, so we can easily edit it here. Let's click on girls collection. Okay, um view our collections. So nothing is inside our collections here. Edit. Let's go back to this. Let's click on this. Let's click on the, where is it, girls collection. Let's add. Let's click on this girls collection. Let's add them. I think that's, I never knew under your sparkle. I think this should be under girls collection too. So two work have successfully been added to girls collections. Let me untick these ones. Add. Now let me go to collection. You can see we have added 1, 2, 3, 4. We have added this as girls collection. Now let's move straight to how we promote this. Now if you go to our work, now let's assume that what I want to promote is this particular one. is this particular one. So what I will do is there are many ways you can do this. You can promote as a product, you can promote as an artwork. Now when you click on promote as product, you can see Redbubble will take you to, I want to show you different things how you can do. Redbubble will take you to this place, to this particular place. Now you see different, you see all your work. Are you seeing it? You see all your work. So all you need to do is just what? To click on anyone. Let me assume to download the image that you want to use and promote your work. When you click on here, download the image that you want to use and promote your work, and do whatever you want to do. We'll get into it. Then you can promote your artwork, your entire artwork. When you click on promote your entire artwork, you see how it is. Now the people that are viewing it will see the prices and everything attached to it. So I usually make use of promote all the artwork, so that when people will click on the link, they will see the price of this particular stuff. So how do I do this? When I go back to this place, I'll first click on promote product, because I want to actually download a picture that I will use for the promotion. Now when I do that, I will look for a picture that I want to use to promote this work, a very good picture that I want to use to promote it. um there are different things here that you can use to promote it. So I'm looking for something. So okay, can we use it? So I love this. I click on download. When I click on my download, you can see different thing that you can use. Now how do I do this? I'll just download this, since it's this one that I want to use to promote it. You can see now I will go back. Since I want to promote my entire work, right, I will still click on setting, promote artwork, promote my artwork. I will leave it here, read more, so that I will see the this, and then I will go to my Pinterest. Next I will go to my Pinterest to create pin. Now when I go to my Pinterest, now this Pinterest I'm using is not private Pinterest. Is, what is it called? Is it public Pinterest? Business, sorry, Pinterest. Because in business Pinterest, they will help you to promote everything, every product you are adding here. But in the other private one, the promotion may not be that way. So what do I do here? I will click on this. I will go to my download. I will click on this. I will open it, upload it. You can see. Then what's the title of this? I will go back. This is the title of the work. I will copy this. I'll paste it here. What's the problem? You did not copy. Copy. I'll paste it here. Then what's the description? This is the description of this product. I'll copy it and paste it here. Now what's the link? Now this link is this link that we are going to make use of. This link here, we'll copy it here and we'll paste it here. Choose board. Okay, I don't want to choose any board. T-shirt, social work. I don't want to choose. I just want to create it like that. Now tax. So can we go to this place in tax? This, so only way we can get the tax that we use for this is like when we promote our acts. So we'll go back here, click on this setting, then promote product, not artwork. Promote product. Promote product. Open. Let me refresh my Wi-Fi. Sorry, let me refresh it. promote products. Okay, when you promote product, when you click on promote products, you can see the tags here. These are the tags, these are the tags. So what I usually do is, when I copy them, because you needed to separate them with comma, when I copy them, I open my notepad, I paste it there. You can see the way it is. So I have to start arranging it, or if you don't want to do it that way, you can just click on edit. It's more easier. When you click on edit, this is more easier. When you click on edit, then you go to your tag, the place that you have already copied it, copy it this way. Go to your Pinterest and paste it. Now publish later. No, you want to publish it now, right? Describe your pin visuals. I don't usually describe. Now what do I do? After doing this, I'll publish it. This has already been published. Are you seeing it? So you can view this here. You can view. Now what does this do? If you see this site, let's go back to this. Leave, because you don't want to make any changes. Yeah. So right, you don't want to make any changes. Now if you click on this site, visit site, it will take them back. Anybody that click on this link, it take them back to that page that you promoted your act. So visit, click on visit. Do you see where it took them out? So they will see the prices of the products associated with your designs. So the person can easily click on anyone. If the person likes this, the person will click on it and try to check it out, choose the colors that he wants and all that. The person will check it out. So anytime the person visits your Pinterest and see visit site, when the person click on site, it will take the person to your um store, or to your design, that particular designs, and the person will see every product that you have here associated with that particular design, and they will, if they want to order, they will order your design. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So in our next video, I'll be dealing on Public. You know, this is on Redbubble. We'll start a series on Public, and how to upload, how to do some of other things and arrange and all that. Okay, I will also teach you how to design without AI. It's very important. So if you like this video, try to subscribe to this video, give it a thumbs up, and share to your friends. Bye.